Let's go over setup for your Energizer Connect Smart Plug. Connecting your smart plug is easy. First, plug into an outlet to get started. Log in to your Energizer Connect app. Press the plus on the top right, and press Add a device. Select the type of device. The plug should be blinking, which means it's in pairing mode. If it isn't in pairing mode, press the power button on the side for 5 seconds to reset. Confirm your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi name and password. Once connected, you can rename and customize other settings. Press Finish Device Setup and your smart plug will be on your device screen. Control your smart plug anytime, anywhere. Set up schedules for small appliances, coffee machines, and dehumidifiers. Even keep track of energy use. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and visit us at energizerconnect.com.